Look at that tail.
$6,500 feet. Oh, Gary, look at this. This is an excellent view of the drogue parachutes.
There it is. Drogue separation. Main chute deploy. We'll wait for confirmation of 4 healthy mains.
Dragon, visual on 4 healthy mains, descent rate nominal.
Copy, great news, 1,000 meters.
We copy 1,000. SpaceX C splashdown and mains release.
Copy 5 minutes before lift and standing by for PMC.
Side hatch is open.
You see the waves coming out. Oh, this is
Live views inside Endeavour. Wonderful. Getting all 4 crew members thumbs up.